Hi guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how to make box braid with my beautiful girl. If you are new on this channel, like if you're stopping by on this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Nelly and I'm the manager, the MD, the CEO, the manager of this channel. You're welcome to my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back. Today I'm going to be showing you, before I go on, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do well to drop a comment, like this video, share this video, and do every other good stuff. It is free. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make box braid on this hair. I don't want to waste much time. That's why I'm doing everything sharp. So I'm going to be showing you how to make box braid on her hair. Just to show you how to make box braid. So come closer, let's do it. So I'm just using this comb because I couldn't find my rat tail comb. But anyways, so to make box braid, you first need to section the hair. I'll section the little parts from this hair. Whatever you're using to section the hair, make sure that it's something that will make your parts look very clean. You can try to use edge control if you feel like this other section is going to be disturbing you. So I have packed this one already. This is what I'm going to be using. First of all, I'll make the hair without extension, just so that you have an idea of how box braids are being done. So I've divided it into three. I'll just take my hand and put at the back of this one, just like this, then grab that one. It means that this hand is free. I'll take this one, pull it to this side, take my hand, put it under the one in the middle and grab this one at this side. It means that this one in the middle is free. I'll take it again. It's always going to be about putting your hand under the one in the middle. You take this one, you put your hand under the one in the middle. This is the one in the middle. Put your hand under it and grab the one at the side. You see? Put your hand in the middle and grab the one at the side. Take this, put your hand in the middle and grab the one at the side. This is just what you do for box braid. So if you're making hair, like you're making braids, there's a way we arrange our braids so that everything will come out looking nice. So if you make the first braid here, try to make the next one here. And then a third one should be in between these two here. Say I've made here now. If I want to make here, I'll go ahead and section it. So like I said in the first time, I divided it into three just so that you can kickstart with your braids. But if you don't want to do that, you can hold the hair up like this, then pinch a little part, just pinch your first half, your first set portion out of the hole. It means that you've taken one and this one should be for two. Instead of dividing it outrightly into three before you start, when you pinch this small half, you can just put your index finger into the hole of the hair and grab the one underneath, like so. So when you grab the one underneath, it means that this one, I'm not holding this part of the hair at all. I'm holding only two. So I have one, we have two, this is the second one, and then there's one behind my hand there. So when you hold it like that, you put your hand inside this one like this and grab. Are you seeing it? Take it, put your hand in between these two hands, put your hand like so and grab. Put your hand like so and grab. Put your hand like so and grab. So when you keep doing it like that, you are going to make your box braid very well. And anytime you take this one, try to pull it out just a bit. Pull it out like that and hold. Pull it out a bit and hold. So if you notice, whilst I'm taking this, I'm using style to take this one underneath like this, like so, and hold. Just like that. Then if you have braided the hair from the root, you braid it out a bit, you can turn your hand the other way by, instead of doing this, you do this. Yeah, then you take it like this. As we are doing this, as I'm showing you how to braid, to make box braid, you can, if you have like a mannequin just like this, or you have someone who is ready to sacrifice their time, their head and pain for you, you can tell them to sit down. So whilst me and my girl do our hair here, you can from your end try to make box braid, just so that as you are learning, you are practicing. Because at the end of the day, if you don't practice what you are learning, you might not really get a hold or a hand on it. Or you remember when I said there's a way we lay our box braid so that it will come out looking nice. I've just made one and two on the same line, sort of. And if I want to make like the up part of the hair, I won't want it to just stay on top of each other like this. Instead, I will make the braid stay in between this hair, so that any way I want to pack this hair, there will not be opening on the hair. So instead of cutting from the beginning here like this, I'll try to cut from, this is one of the hair, I'll try to cut from the middle of that hair like this. I'll cut it out. Yeah. And then I'll cut it out. So if you look at it now, I've cut it. So now this hair, when I braid it, is going to stay in the middle. So when I braid this hair, it's going to fall in the middle of these ones. You get? Let me just braid it so you see. This third one that is on top of the braids under is staying in the middle. Look, is in the middle of this hair. So if I decide to leave it like this, it's covering, this one is covering this place. So, you know, I've shown you how to braid with just the hair. Now we are going to learn how to braid with extension. So I'll cut here now. So this is the extension. I'll need to crisscross the extension, and to do that, I'll divide it into two. One of the half will be smaller than the other half. You just do it like this. So this one is the small part and this one is the big part. If you look at it, this one looks like two of this one will make this one. Yeah. So when you have it like this, you put them this way. You hold them in the middle like this. Then you put this one together and you put that one together. Did you see? See what I've just done? I've just crisscrossed it. It means when you cross it like that, this is what you should be having. This is what you should be having. You should be having something like this. So when you have it like this, the small parts will put it together. The big parts, you hold it like this. So it means that, you know, when we did this here, we divided it into 3 parts. So now we have 1 part, which is this one, 2 parts, this the 3rd part. So it's 3 now. So this part that you join together, you hold it. These other ones, you put your hand on top like this, both hands on top like this. Yeah. And then you turn it inside facing you. Turn it inside facing you. And your index finger, you put it inside of this one. It means you are holding this part that is under your hand. Just hold under your finger rather. Just hold it like that. Use this other hand up to press that side and leave it. Then pull all of them to one side, just like this. When you have done this, come to your hair which you have sectioned. Now, if you want to divide the hair into 3 like we did for the first braid, it's up to you. Let's just divide it so that it will make understanding better. So we are dividing the hair into 3 now. So this is the 3, yeah. So this is what I'm doing. I put my hand again like I showed you before. These are the 3 sections of hair, yeah. So I'll hold one of them with the extension. Then this is the second one. I'll hold it with this extension on top. I'll join them together. So when I join them together, I'll try to press the hair, the extension. I'll try to press the extension down so that the attachment will start from the roots of the hair. When I press it down like that, I would put my index finger in between the 2 hair. You know that this 3rd one now, we don't have hair for it. This is the hair that's supposed to join to it. So it means that the 3 hair now, they have human hair to them. So I'll take them like that, put my index finger in between the 2 hair and grab it. Yeah. Take it in between the 2 hair and grab it. Drag it, take it, like just pull it out a bit, not like you're dragging somebody's hair. So take it, pull it out a bit. Yeah. Put your hand underneath. Then you see I'm taking this one out. This is this 3rd one here now. I'm using style to do it like this. Take it. Put your hand here to press it down. Use this one to put it. And this, my hand now, I'm using it to push it under. I'm using my hand to drag this one under. Look, I'm taking it just like that. You're pulling this one inside, putting your hand inside. That's how to make good cornrow and good braids. So once I've made it to an extent, I'll turn my hand because I can't braid like that until I get to the tip. I can if I want, but just for the purpose of teaching, I'll need to. But normally, even if I'm making braids, I'll braid it to its point and then I'll turn my hand just so that it'll be fast for me. And because nobody wants to spend the whole day making somebody's hair. So you start going like that. Look at this hair very well. This one is with extension, but this one is without extension. You see? The extension gives it more weight. Like this one. Okay, look at these 2 on top now. This is with extension, this is without extension. You see the difference with it. Extension holds it firm on the bottom compared to when you don't add extension to the hair. But it's up to the person whom you are making the hair for. It's their choice. If they don't want extension, you leave it. But the reason I'm showing you all of this is just so that you can learn and be able to offer the particular service that your clients or your person is requesting for. All right, let me do one more braid with extension, because I did 3 without extension and I'll do 2 with extension. So like I said before, you need to put one in the middle. This is the one in the middle. This one is staying in front. So now we are on the 3rd line. If you look, this is the 1st line, this is the 2nd line. The 3rd line now, the 1st one will have to go in between these 2 hair. So I'll just cut from here like this and make sure it goes up to the half of the 2nd one so that this hair can come inside like that. That is it. So like I said, let me show you how to do the extension again. Get your extension. This is the extension. You grab the portion that you want, pull it out. This is the hole, and this is the one I'm removing. Hold this one a bit tight, then this one firmly, lightly, and pull out. So you don't end up pulling everything on the floor. Don't waste your attachments. Attachment is gold now. Extension is gold now. So this is what I'm going to be using. And like I said before, you'll need to section this hair. So one will be bigger than the other. These 2 of these will make this. So you know how to divide it. So now crisscross them together. This small part, put them together and hold. These big parts, you see how it is? Hold it together like this. Put your hand in the middle. These 2, remember how I showed you these 2? Put it like this. Bend it to yourself and turn. Then put your index finger inside. Now you have all the hair. Remember to press here so that the hair does not keep moving about. When you press here, it means you are going for the head now. Now come closer. Before I divided this into 3 and I went ahead to braid. But now I'm not going to divide it into 3. I will just braid like that. So I'll hold all of the hair together. With my extension, I'll pinch just a part of it. I'll pinch a part. See? Then I'm still holding the hole. This part up, I'll use it to join the hole. Remember to press this one down and put your index finger at the back of this first one, at the back of it, and hold the third one at the back like so. Then you hold all the hair together again. Let me bend this hair down like this. Then you hold all the hair together again. So it means that we have only one section apart now. All of these are held together, but mind you, my hand is separating the extension, the two other parts of the extension from underneath. So I'll press down again, take my index finger and put inside, in between the two extension, and grab it. I'll do the same again and grab. Do it again and grab. That is how to make it. If you want to make this video slow so that you can understand it better, it will be good. That's it. That's how to go on with braiding hair. Yeah, that's it very well. So these 2 braids are with extension, whilst these 3 braids are without extension. So that is it about today's video. I think I have done a good job by showing you how to make braids. If you feel like you have any questions, or just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think I was able to explain very well, or is there any part you still want me to explain? Just let me know in the comment section. Please do well to share this video to as many people that you think might benefit from it. Share it to your friends, to your loved ones, to your family, to your little ones. They are growing and they need skills. They need to learn skills. Show them the video on how to braid. They can braid for themselves, they can braid for their younger ones, they can braid for their moms. Even though these days now, men they braid hair for people, and they braid their own hair. So this video is a video that cuts across any gender, any age, or whatever. So please do well to share the video, like the video, share, and drop comments. Yeah, if you have not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, be good, stay safe, and I love you. Bye.